It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Hey, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be more of a vlog style. I'm going to be decorating for Christmas a little bit. Baking, Lord knows I'm horrible at baking, but we're going to give it a go. And Christmas shopping is just going to be all the things. So I'm gonna try to make a cake today. It's a coffee cake and it's supposed to be super good. And so if it's really delicious and it comes out, I might link it down below. Otherwise, I for sure won't. We'll see how it goes. I'm supposed to be following the directions really carefully, but I'm really bad at that, so I might just not. Just add a little bit more butter. Put my stuff away as soon as I use it because then I don't just have this enormous mess to deal with afterward. 30 seconds in and I made my first mistake already. Oops. Good. What do I need? Let's see. Soft butter, flour, sugar, cinnamon. Okay. So no wonder this recipe is really good. So much butter. Uno, dos, tres. Okay. I'm constantly cleaning up as I go because I just don't like to have this huge mess at the end. It's just so much nicer to wash my dishes and clean up as I go. I can think better that way. There's a reason this recipe is supposed to be delicious. Lots of butter and lots of sugar. Don't make anything delicious. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna cut back on the sugar just a little bit. I don't have a KitchenAid or a Bosch or anything, so basically I mix just about everything by hand. I should get one of those sometime, but I don't bake enough to make a KitchenAid or like a Bosch worth it in my mind. Don't you love when you're looking up a blog recipe and there's like 17 million ads you have to scroll through to find the recipe? People just sharing their entire life story before they share the recipe. I love that. Pour in blah 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 blah. 5 tablespoons more butter. 5 tablespoons butter softened. Hope I didn't forget an ingredient because it's pretty sticky. I did it. Okay, sweet. Now I gotta figure out, I'm just gonna pick it up. Yes, I can. So now I'm just gonna squish it down. Don't break. Oh, that's kind of ugly. That's really ugly. I should probably put some more frosting in the middle. Okay, I'll do that next time. This is gonna be the sweetest cake of all time. I think I can cover that up with stuff. That is a whole lot uglier than I thought it was gonna be. These are little star anise that I'm using. Oh, seriously, I almost dropped it. Hit me up for all your baking needs. This honestly looks a lot better than I thought it was going to. My expectations weren't very high for myself, but not so bad. It was kind of fun. I mean, the top thingy, majiggy, dipping all the things in sugar, that was fun. Yeah, okay, I'm done now. I'm baking for the rest of the decade. So I just went and picked all these different greens and I'm gonna try to make a garland today. I've never made one before, and some wreaths too. We're gonna try to give it a go. So I'm super minimal with my Christmas decorating. Basically, I get a bunch of greens like I did today and throw them around and call it good. No, but for real. I'm using this spray and I'm gonna spray the wreath to keep it green longer. So my only tip for making a garland is don't. Seriously, it was so much work and I don't know, I just think mine looks kind of ugly. So I'm about to go shopping in Lancaster today with one of my really good friends, Kate, and we're gonna hit up some antique stores, community aid, home decoration stores. Okay, so I basically said that I decorate with only greens, and that is true, but I did want to pick up, since I basically own no Christmas decorations, I wanted to pick up a few pieces, and then maybe pick up a few artificial greens as well. I do make a lot of my own stuff, but sometimes I just want something that I can just throw on there and not worry about the pines falling all over the place or whatever. So I'm excited. We always have such a good time. I know it's gonna be a good day. So I'm back from shopping and I want to show you guys some of the stuff I got. Not just today, but some of the other days I was out shopping with Troy. And so I want to show you what I got. So I did manage to find some candlestick holders in Lancaster. I'm so excited. Got this one at Community Aid Antique Store for like $1. This is my favorite one. I got this one at a store called Gray Apple, I think, or Gray Apple Market or something like that in York. I think it is so pretty. Anyway, I think these are so fun to decorate with for parties or Christmas, literally anything. So I think it's really fun to have a couple of these now. So what I have on my table is from Michael's. I had a gift card from my mother-in-law, so I decided to use it. Picked up these little trees. I think they're pretty. I've never had these before. Bottle brush trees, I think they call them. And also these candle holders or whatever you call them. So yeah, that's what's on my table. This little sign is a gift from somebody, I don't even know who, a couple years ago. So these I picked up at Target Dollar Spot. They were like $2.50 each. They're so cute. And this sign I printed off of Etsy. It's one thing I love to do to save some money. It was just a couple dollars and then I framed it myself. Can I just say, you don't need any of this stuff to make a beautiful, cozy Christmas. We all know it's not about the stuff. It's about creating memories with your family and your loved ones and having a hospitable home where you are celebrating Christ, his birth, and just enjoying time with your friends and your family. One thing I did this year, instead of getting Christmas cards, I got prints from Parable Press. They are a lot cheaper and they're decent quality. It's like cardstock, and yeah, I didn't think they turned out too bad. I wanted to show you what was on my fridge. I will post a link to where you can get one of these drawings. It's a 14-year-old girl and she does such a great job. They would make an excellent Christmas gifts or something like that. Custom drawing. And also I saw this and I loved it. And so I printed it out for my fridge. No more lives torn apart, that wars would never start. Time would heal all hearts. And everyone would have a friend, and right would always win, and love would never end. This is my grown-up Christmas list. I hope you have an absolutely amazing Christmas season. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. What I was going to say, I don't know, I don't remember, okay? If you're new here, please subscribe. Okay. Got granola out my teeth going. Feeling good. Okay. It's gonna be all things Christmas. I'm gonna be, I don't remember what I was gonna say.